Hmm. There's no screws under these, is there?
What?
Are there screws under these feet?
No, there's no screws under there.
Okay.
Are you getting those screws out?
Yes. What are we hoping to find under here?
The motor.
Ah, that screw must have been holding something in. Okay, all the screws are out. Turn that on.
Are you getting somewhere?
I am. It's stuck on something though. Oh. I'm afraid to pry it off too much.
You've only been working on it for 4 minutes.
All right, we're making progress then. I don't see a screw under there. Wonder why it's so hard to get off of here. Oh, maybe there's something in the battery compartment. There is. There's another screw in there. There's one actually hanging out. Okay. All the screws are off now. How does it come apart? Must have a snap somewhere. Let's snap in. Something's falling. You hear that?
Yes.
might have been glued. See?
See?
Piece of tape in there. If I can see what's falling all over the place. Something fell out.
What's that red thing?
Oh! Well, there's that.
Daddy, can you show them?
Yeah, let me get this screwed out so it doesn't fall on the floor. I don't want to lose anything. Here's the innards.
What's that? This red thing?
That's the drum, isn't it?
Daddy.
What is that? Oh, just fuzz. So there's that.
The control panel wires, Daddy.
What?
The control panel wires.
These control panel wires?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what goes to the battery. So if we were going to hotwire it, we'd have to take those leads off. There's a door switch. We can close that as well.
How does it? This thing, the tight washer works water tight.
Should we put it back together?
What?
Should we put it back together? Did we learn what we needed to learn?
Where do we have to drill the hole?
I was just going to look at that.
Daddy.
So, if we wanted to, we could probably just take it at the battery wires.
Yes.
So we could drill a hole in there. Yeah, that's probably what I would do. Really? Is there enough room? Yeah, I could probably go right out that hole and not even drill it. There's a little hole right there. We could pull those leads through there and just do it.
Yes.
We need the converter first.
Converter.
Yes, the converter. There's something stuck in here too, I think. Can't see it though. There's the hose for the drain. Comes out here.
I don't know how that thing would leak with water in it.
Yeah, it's all plastic. It probably just leaks.
Daddy,
Yes. You want to put it back together, and then we can wire it up when we're ready to do the speed controller.
yes,
Okay. Did you enjoy that?
yes.
All right. I'll put this base on first.
Where's the motor?
Oh, did you not see it? I'll show you. Oh no, got this back on. Oh, snap this back on already. Okay. So the motor, let's see. I'll show you. The motor's right there. Can you see it? This silver thing right here?
The silver?
Yeah, that's the electric motor right there.
What that?
Yeah, it goes right into the back of the drum, that guy. I assume there's a gear in here that turns the drum.
That's what?
Cool?
Can I have my phone so I can take a picture for mommy?
Sure. Oh, it's on your walker. I'll get it for you. Can you get it? Oh, you got it. Look at you.
Can you get the top? Where does that silver thing?
That's the motor. Did you get your picture?
See, Daddy?
Oh, I see.
That is Steve. Let's see.
Okay, I'm gonna put this back together, okay? What do you want to do for lunch? Do you want to go get a milkshake or anything? Or do you want me to make you something at home?
Make me something.
Yeah? Okay. I'm not gonna crank it down real hard. Oh, this was inside somewhere, wasn't it?
Where was that inside?
It was here, but on the inside. I don't know what this does, though. Like, what good is this thing?
Can I show you?
Yeah. Might just help to center this part.
You've only been walking for 14 minutes, Daddy.
Well, we made quick work of that, didn't we? just doing them like finger tight.
But hot wiring is going to take place after Christmas, Daddy.
We're gonna hot wire it.
After Christmas.
That one's kind of going in difficult.
Where was this thing in the toy wash? Where was this thing in the toy washer?
Right here.
Right here?
I think this was a short one, wasn't it? I think it was. That one feels like it didn't thread in. Okay. There you go, all done.
Boy.
Bye, YouTube.